Gita Shloka.
Now I will present some shlokas. First is Man eva manushayanam karanam bandhu mokshaya. The mind is the only reason for confidence and salvation of a person. Second is Satya api tat na vacham yatha ukta asukava bhavati. यदि बात सच हो पर उसे सुनने पर किसी को कष्ट होता हो तो उसे नहीं कहना चाहिए. And second is Janani Janma Bhumischa Sargadapi Daryas. Mother and motherland are more than heaven. Thank you.
Interesting fact about Nobel Prize winner Sir C.V. Raman. Dayani.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anil from class 9 SVM English Medium School, Thoripana. Interesting facts about Nobel Prize winner C.V. Raman. Love for physics. Raman quit his government service. He was appointed the first Palit Professor of Physics at University of Calcutta, 1917. Earning the Nobel Prize, he discovered the evidence of the quantum nature of light by observing the scattering and effect that came to be known as the Raman effect. National Science Day. Raman did a groundbreaking experiment that eventually earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics on February 28, 1928. The day is celebrated as the National Science Day in India. Raman was the first Asian non-white individual to win the Nobel Prize in Science. Inspiration behind the history. Raman said he was inspired by the wonderful opulences of Mediterranean Sea while he was going to Europe in 1921. Thank you.
सुप्रभात. आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक अमुक विषय पर चर्चा करने के लिए यहाँ उपस्थित हुआ हूँ, तो कृपया कर इसे ध्यानपूर्वक सुने. भारत में हर साल 28 फरवरी को राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस मनाया जाता है, जिसे हम नेशनल साइंस डे भी कहते हैं. नेशनल साइंस डे 2022 की थीम एक सतत भविष्य के लिए विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी में एक एकीकृत दृष्टिकोण रखी गई है. 1928 को महान भारतीय वैज्ञानिक सर सीवी रामन ने एक इफेक्ट की खोज की थी, जिसे हम रामन इफेक्ट भी कहते हैं. महान वैज्ञानिक सीवी रामन को 1930 में फिजिक्स के लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया था. लेकिन ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि भारत में हर साल 28 फरवरी को नेशनल साइंस डे मनाया जाता है. लेकिन क्या आप वास्तव में जानते हैं कि हम हर साल 28 फरवरी को राष्ट्रीय दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? कोई बता सकता है? कोई बता सकता है कि हम हर साल 28 फरवरी को राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस महान भारतीय वैज्ञानिक सर चंद्रशेखर वेंकट रमन द्वारा रामन इफेक्ट के आविष्कार की याद में मनाया जाता है. अब हम सर सीवी रामन के जीवन परिचय के बारे में चर्चा करते हैं. सर सीवी रामन का जन्म 7 नवंबर 1888 को तमिलनाडु के तिरुचिरापल्ली में हुआ था. उनके पिता फिजिक्स और गणित के विद्वान थे. उन्होंने सेंट एलोयसियस एंग्लो इंडियन हाई स्कूल विशाखापट्टनम में अध्ययन किया. 1904 में उन्होंने मद्रास विश्वविद्यालय में बीएससी की डिग्री प्राप्त की और पहले स्थान हासिल कर फिजिक्स में स्वर्ण पदक जीता. और फिर 28 फरवरी 1928 को रमन ने प्रकाश के प्रकीर्णन पर के.एस. कृष्णन के साथ इस प्रयोग का नेतृत्व किया और सर सीवी रामन का 21 नवंबर 1917 को निधन हो गया. राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस का मुख्य उद्देश्य में विज्ञान के महत्व के बारे में जागरूक करना और प्रौद्योगिकी के लिए लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करना है. व्यक्ति का जीवन भी विज्ञान के प्रयोग की तरह होता है. जितनी बार आप प्रयोग करेंगे परिणाम उतना ही अच्छा होगा. अपनी सोच का दायरा बढ़ाइए, विज्ञान के जरिए देश को आगे बढ़ाइए. इसी के साथ मैं अपना भाषण समाप्त करता हूँ.
Thank you, Prem. In English speech, Prem, madam.
Respected principals, sir, teachers and all dear friends. Today we celebrate National Science Day to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman, which earned Sir Raman the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. The Raman effect was a groundbreaking discovery that paved the way for the development of modern physics and changed the course of scientific research. This discovery not only earned Sir C.V. Raman the Nobel Prize in Physics, but also put India on the global scientific map. The Raman effect is a phenomenon in which light changes its wavelength when it passes through a medium. Let us know about Sir C.V. Raman. Do anybody know the full name of Sir C.V. Raman? Do any student know the full name of C.V. Raman? Correct. Their full name is Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. They were born at 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Their parents' names were R. Chandrasekhar Iyer and R.C. Parvati Amman. And they were also the first scientist to win a Nobel Prize in India. He founded the Journal of Physics in 1926. He moved to Bangalore in 1933 to become the first Indian director of the Indian Institute of Science. He founded the Indian Academy of Science the same year. He established the Raman Institute in 1948, where he lived to his last days and died in 21st November 1970 at Bangalore. Now I would like to present some thought by Sir C.V. Raman. I am the master of my failure. If I never fail, how will I ever know? I will repeat my thought. I am the master of my failure. If I never fail, how will I ever learn? Thank you.
जब आप इसको टर्न कर रहे हो थोड़ा पानी कम है
My name is Vikash. I make a ATM machine. ATM full form is automated teller machine, which is self-service banking outlet. You can withdraw money, check your balance, or even transfer funds. Different banks provide their ATM service by installing cash machine in different parts of the country. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, I am Dilip from class 6 and I make a respiratory system in human bodies, have lungs and it's working for breathing in and breathing out like this. Thank you.
And I am from class 6. I make a Newton's cradle. Newton's cradle is a device that demonstrates conversion of momentum and energy using a series of swimming spheres. One sphere at the end is lifted and released. It strikes the stationary sphere's force is transmitted through the stationary spheres and pushes the last sphere upward. Thank you.
My name is Sachin. I study in class 7th. I will tell few lines about this project. The project name is hydraulic powered robotic lift. The hydraulic robot arm improves steam learning by combining problem solving with a real world applications of technology used to pair of syringes to control the arm. Hydraulic lifts work on a basic principle to go up a pump pushes oil into the cylinder, pushing the oil into the cylinder, pushing the piston which pushes the lift cart up to go down. The valve open and oil is allowed to flow back into the reservoir. Hydraulic arms can be used in situations that are too difficult or dangerous for people to deal with directly, or in automated systems. Examples include arms that lift heavy weight and that hold a load and unload them into a specific position. Thank you.
करके दिखाओ.
Yogita Sharma, I study class 7. This is a science project. Name is solar power irrigation system. हम ये इसलिए बनाते हैं क्योंकि जो किसान होते हैं उन्हें खेती के लिए पानी चाहिए होता है, उनकी बहुत कमी होती है लाइट की, इसलिए वो ज़्यादातर अपने घर के ऊपर सोलर पैनल लगाते हैं. जो ये सन है उसकी जो ऊर्जा होती है इसके ऊपर पड़ती है. इसके ऊपर पड़ने के बाद कंट्रोलर में जाती है, कंट्रोलर से वो पंप पे जाते हैं. यहाँ से जो पानी निकलता है वो पंप पे वाटर टैंक में जाता है. वाटर टैंक में जाने के बाद उनके खेतों में पानी आता है जिससे वो आसान से कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
We are students from class 7 and we represented a global warming project.
Global warming is the increase the Earth's temperature. Greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. Global warming is harmful to living organisms. It also affects the balance of the ecosystem.
It also affects the balance of the ecosystem. Human activities are also responsible for global warming. Global warming results in extreme climate change. Global warming causes melting of glaciers and rise in sea level. It causes disturbance in monsoon patterns.
Good morning, everyone. I want to tell about what's known as smart city. A smart city is a place where transportation network and service are made more effective with the uses of detailed solutions for the benefit of its inhabitants and business. A smart city goes beyond the uses of digital technologies for the better resource use and less emissions.
What is known as a smart city? A smart city is a network of the permanently composed of information and of conditions of the technology to develop the play and promote the substitutional of the development of the practice to and of the technology of growing of the administrative challenge. This is a Pawan Chakki of the
Good morning everyone. My name is Kritika from class 6. This is my project. My project name is electric cell and bulb. ये कॉमन सर्किट है. दो टाइप्स के वायर है, एक ब्लैक और रेड. रेड वायर नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से अटैच है और ब्लैक वायर पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से अटैच है. दोनों वायर को सेल से अटैच करेंगे तब बल्ब ग्लो होगा. थैंक यू.
How it okay, fine. So it will work with the same.
Positive terminal,
Generate
negative
light.
terminal.
Generate generate the light. Interesting.
Thank you, Kritika. Next.
This process is used to save water from rain, and this is a collection tank, and through the collection tank water go to the filtration point, and to the filtration point in last water go to the well. Thank you.
And this is the project of rainwater harvesting, and here is the water tank, and here is the filtration point, and then water is go to well. Thank you.
Okay, so this is harvesting, water harvesting. Mostly this is used in English to save the water, how to use the water. Okay, it's very interesting. Thank you.
Completely change of the world. गीता में भी हमने सुना था ना, परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है, बस। तो ये सारी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो साइंस की है। साइंस और धर्म दोनों एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड, कनेक्ट ईच अदर। तो रियली वंस अगेन आई thanks to all my dear students who giving our potential to the projects, and also thanks to the teachers who support my children. Thank you so much.